What if our sun almost didn't turn on? Every star begins as a nebula, a vast area of gas and dust floating about in space. Some of these clouds collapse, heat up, and ignite into blazing stars. But others don't. This is a brown dwarf. It's basically a star that almost made it. It's too big to be a planet, but too small to be a star. As the star gets bigger, the gravity squeezes the star tighter and tighter, which makes it hotter and hotter. If the star gets hot enough, the hydrogen can fuse into helium, releasing energy. Gravity keeps squeezing tighter and tighter. But if this process never reaches about 10 million degrees Celsius, this ignition doesn't happen. And our sun was surprisingly close to that line. If the sun failed to ignite properly, then the Earth would be orbiting a dim reddish glow instead of the yellow sun. The oceans would freeze solid, plants wouldn't be able to make food from sunlight, and life as we know it may have never started. Real stars shine because hydrogen is fused into helium inside their cores. Brown dwarfs just don't have the mass to keep that reaction going. Only some brown dwarfs actually rival Jupiter. And even Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, isn't big enough to be a star. Scientists think that there could be billions of brown dwarfs in our Milky Way. We can barely see them as they mainly glow in infrared light. Most of them float alone, invisible to the naked eye. And sometimes they linger close to star systems. Their gravity can disrupt asteroid belts and planetary orbits. Just a small pull can change an entire planet's future. Brown dwarfs are right in the middle of a strange zone. Not a planet, but not a star. In space, mass is basically everything, and if you don't have much of it, you don't get to shine. Our sun barely crossed that ignition line. That tiny difference, just a little bit more mass, changed everything, because it gave Earth light, warmth, and stability. Liquid water became possible. Simple life began in the oceans. After the course of billions of years, the first microbes eventually evolved into plants, animals, and eventually us. But in another possible universe, none of that ever happened. The universe is filled with almost stars, objects that nearly lit up but didn't quite make it. Compared to them, our sun is a success story, and Earth is incredibly lucky to orbit it, because most objects out there never ignite into stars. They slowly cool and fade into darkness. Our sun nearly joined them. That tiny cosmic margin gave us everything we know. So next time you look at the sun, or hopefully not as you'll go blind, remember that out there, countless almost stars drift silently in the dark. And ask yourself, what if ours had failed?
Wow, look at all those stars. I know, and look, a shooting star. This is incredible.